if you want to build a really tall building, you have to dig a very deep foundation, right? A lot of times in life, people see like the end result, right? But they don't see the years and sometimes the decades of work, and especially the inner work that somebody has done, right, to get to the point where they're having some sort of outward manifestation of success in their life, whatever it may be. Guys, the foundation goes way deeper, right, than what's just coming out at the top, right? And that's so important to understand. And we are rolling. What's up, guys? Welcome to Unlimited Freedom. This is Vaughn with Unlimited Freedom. It's Day Trader Tuesday. Let's get into it.
You know, if you're not going to become a network marketer, we're not going to pay you what we said we were going to pay you, right? News announcement. And this is a breaking news announcement. And this is a breaking live on Friday. Platform Novatech update.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want.
We're about to crack into the content here at this Day Trader Tuesday segment of the Unlimited Freedom Network. Now, first and foremost, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I talk about here is for educational purposes only. Trading is risky. Consult with a real financial advisor, right, before doing anything, right? Also, 99% of people lose money when they trade. So, you know, this is the disclaimer that we have to get out there to, you know, to be able to produce this kind of content for you guys. Okay, so I'm not telling anybody what to do here. I'm not giving out any kind of advice. All right, but having said that, right, the links to all of the different brokers that I talk about are linked in my trading section of my description, right? So if you want to know more about those, you can go there, you can click the link. Also, my trading course is in there. You can buy my course for $299. And also a comprehensive Forex training class is also available. It's all linked in my description, guys. So make sure that you check this stuff out. Let's get into the sauce. All right, guys. So Day Trader Tuesday. What's going on right now is I'm looking at a Bitcoin chart. And I've got a couple, well, I've got one position open right now, and then I'm going to open up another position if it switches direction. And basically, you know, what's going on with this is overall Bitcoin is going up. It's sitting at $42,970. And you can see that I've got a couple of positions open here, right? Now, this is, you know, these indicators are pushing down, right? So this is an indication that at least in the short term, you know, we're looking for Bitcoin to go down, right? So for this stochastic to pull down to the bottom here, for this RSI to pull down to the bottom. And if that's the case, then I'm going to get a nice profit, right? So we can see that it's just kind of hovering on the zero line right now. But once it actually decides to make a move, whether that's going to go up or down, the trade's going to be profitable either way, right? Because right now I'm in the trade for a very small amount, right? So let's say that it goes down. That's great. I win the trade. I make some money. It's all good, right? And this is the 1 hour chart. So I'm going to be having this on for probably the majority of the day, just watching which direction it goes. The further it goes down, the more money I make. If it switches and goes in the upward direction, I simply place another trade right here for a greater amount. And what that allows me to do is as it goes up, it allows me to make back the losses and also gain a little bit, right, from the reversal direction. Now, you're not going to make as much as if it just goes in your direction first, but if you do place that secondary trade, you offset your losses and you can also actually gain from the upward move, right, at the same time. So the whole goal with that is just not to lose money, right? And that is your basic hedging strategy. For you guys who are familiar with crypto option, I talk a little bit about crypto option on here. That's what they do, right? They do this basic hedging strategy. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now in this Bitcoin trade. The broker that I'm using for this is Fybit. It's the easiest crypto broker to use, right? You've got to go to the link in my description and sign up for it if you want to try your hand at crypto trading, right? And this is just a basic hedging strategy. Anybody can do this. The market's either going to go up or down, right? So for example, if I'm trading 0.005 Bitcoin on a downward trade and it works out in my favor, great. If it doesn't, and it switches up and it hits my stop loss, then instead of actually leaving the trade, I'm going to keep the trade open, but then I'm going to go in for a 0.01 trade. So 0.005 and then a 0.01, right? And then if it flips back to the downside again, 0.03, right? If it flips back to the upside again, what's the next one? 0.09, right? And what you do is you just keep, as it flips, as it hits your stop loss and switches direction, you keep upping the trade, right? That's why you want to start off small, so that you're hedging against losses. And no matter which direction it goes, once it makes that move, you're going to come out with at least a little bit of profit, right? And so that's the whole idea behind hedge trading. Now, let's say, and that's Fybit, right? That's Fybit. Bitcoin trading, you can trade Ethereum, you can trade Cardano, you can trade Bitcoin Cash. It's the easiest, most user-friendly crypto trading site out there. There's a link to it in my description. Now, let's say that you have no idea what the heck I'm talking about right now. That's okay, right? And maybe you've purchased my trading course. Maybe you're thinking about purchasing my trading course. You're getting in, you're dipping your feet, you're wanting to learn how to trade because you're tired of the rug pulls. You're tired of giving somebody else your money to trade with and then having that money disappear, or the account gets blown, or the money gets lost. You just want to take control, right? And so definitely, I would say the first place to start is to purchase my trading course, linked in the description, because that's going to actually show you how to start making money right away in the markets, right? So that's a good thing to do. Now, if you want to gain an actual full-blown education in Forex and what Forex is all about, you can join a comprehensive Forex education institution, linked in my description. Okay, it's called I Am Academy, and once you join, it's like $175 a month. Once you join the Forex training, you have access to this. This is Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd, right? These guys, especially Dr. Lee here, is a very, very good educator who will teach you A to Z everything you need to know about Forex trading. I'm serious. So the first thing that happens is there's a boot camp. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, right? Now look at this. This is 9 minutes long, 10 minutes long, an hour long, 12 minutes long, and 23 minutes long. So you can watch the whole thing in a matter of a couple of hours, right? The boot camp. And then if you scroll down, and this is in their favorite sessions, so you'll get access to this when you join I Am Academy. And let's scroll all the way down. And they have these quick concepts. These are awesome. Banker's candles, session opening launch time, stochastic continuations, risk to reward ratio, primary versus secondary price phase, points of no return, the objective trade system, the MACD, right? Double peak continuation pattern, break of structure candle, buy and sell, stop order and breakout, currency strength, Bollinger Bands, 3 basic price phase. I mean, they teach everything. And they also have live sessions every single day. So these are all live sessions that they've done, and these are under their favorite sessions. So what you do is you join I Am Academy, link in my description, and you go to Go Live. Once you join, there'll be a page called Go Live. Once you go to Go Live, you find Dr. Josh Lee and Brandon Boyd, right? And you click on their favorite sessions, and you have access to all of this. Also, when you join, you have access to this impulse strategy. Let me go ahead and refresh this. The impulse scanner. And what this does is it scans the markets looking for opportunities, right? And they also go over how to use this, right? So you can find trending opportunities in the markets, right? So that you can jump in and get into some trades. So for example, on this one, let's find a good trend. This is a pretty strong uptrend. This is on CAD CHF. So what I would do here is I would just go to my binary trading platform. Go ahead and log in. All right, so I would go to find the CAD CHF pair, right? And if it's being traded, so here it is. So I would look at that. And then, we would see that we were in the upward trend here, and then we would place a trade in the upward direction, right? And so that's how we would use this this impulse tool. Guys, if you're interested in learning how to trade, this is a great way to do it. Don't join it for the MLM, right? Don't join it for the cheerleading and the jumping up and down and the screaming and yelling and trying to grow a huge team and all that. That's fine. There's going to be people who do that. That's not what I recommend this for. I recommend this for the actual education, right? Link in the description to that. Link in the description for Fybit, and we'll see you guys on the next one here at the Unlimited Freedom Network. If you're not excited right now, you better check your pulse, right? Because you might not be alive, all right? This is exciting stuff. If you guys want to get into this, right, the way that I would recommend do it is to purchase my trading course, right? That's first and foremost because it shows you how to set up all the indicators. Also, you can get on with one of these brokers, right, that I've got linked in the description, and that will be enough to just get you started, right? Now, what I would also recommend if you want to get a full throttled education is to look at the educational platform that I've also provided in the trading tools, right? It's not cheap, but it's worth it if you really want to build this into a career. We'll see you guys on the next one here at the Unlimited Freedom Network.